So guys, this is part 2. It is battery pack. So guys, and then my second battery pack for 8S. In this area, it needs to be thick, the plate, because every cell can draw 6.5 amps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 24 amps, more than 16 amps. It will draw to this connection, the series. So 0.2 nickel plate can only manage 20 amp each of these. So I need to add another plate so that it can manage a 24 and 20 amp on this area. Need to be thick to avoid voltage drop and also the current. Now it's done. This is times to 0.2 nickel plate, so it's equivalent to 40 amps. 6 times 4 equals 34 amps. So from here equivalent to 40 amps. This is 40 amp, 40 amp. This is every source connection really needed to be thick because the current will flow to this section from this going to this area. And I will check the resistance of every pack. This one is 1.7 and the next one is 1.5, and the total resistance is 2 battery pack 2.8. So guys, if you have any questions in regards to this project, designing it is battery pack, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.